Welcome to the Gorilla 6 video series. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to import a screenplay into Gorilla 6. Assuming that you have already saved or exported your screenplay into one of 3 accepted formats shown in Lesson 1, launch Gorilla. From the Project Manager, select the New or Load Schedule button. From the New Schedule window, select Import Load Screenplay. The screenplays listed in the My Screenplays list are files that reside in the My Screenplays folder. If you moved your screenplay file into this folder, you can select it to load it. Otherwise, select the Import Screenplay from Hard Drive button and enter a name for your schedule. And then click OK. The file format of your screenplay must be in one of the accepted file formats that Gorilla accepts. The .sex file format for Movie Magic Screenwriter, the .fdx file format for Final Draft, or a .html file for Celtics. Next, click Continue to locate the file. Find the file and click Choose. When the import is finished, you will be taken to the breakdown screen. Let's take a look at what we have here. Over here, we have our IE field, or the interior-exterior field. Next to that is the set field, and then our DN or day-night field. Also, the page count came in, which is very important. If we open the screenplay in Final Draft and place the two side by side, you can see that the page count is about 2/8 of a page. A new feature in Gorilla 6 gives you the ability to view the screenplay if you used the FDX file format. Notice on the right-hand side of the screen, there is a button shaped like a screenplay next to each scene in the Scene Navigator. If you click this, this will show you the screenplay information for that scene. This button right here will show you the entire screenplay, and you can navigate to different pages by selecting the forward and backward arrows. Over here, in the synopsis field, it imports the first line of the action field in Final Draft. Now, it won't do this with a .sex or a .html file. Now, let's examine the main part of the breakdown screen. On the left, you will see a list of categories. By selecting a category, you will be able to see the elements attached to that category. So, for example, if you select cast members, you will see a list of characters in your screenplay. Here, these elements were tagged in the screenplay before we imported it. On the far right-hand side of the screen, you will see elements that are scheduled for that scene. By selecting a different scene from the Scene Navigator, the scheduled elements for the scene will change. You will remember from Lesson 1, when we went over Final Draft Tagger, we tagged the element Gleaming Mercedes. We also tagged the element Crane Camera to glide over street, and as you can see, both these elements came into Scene 1. Now that we imported our screenplay, we're going to tag more elements, and this is going to be explained in the next lesson. That's a wrap. Have a great shoot.